In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a credit note in Zoho Books, a useful skill for managing your business finances efficiently. We'll start by navigating through the dashboard. Once you're logged into your Zoho Books account, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar menu. Here, click on Sales, which will take you to a new page where you can view all transactions related to sales activities. Next, look for the option labeled Credit Notes and click on it. This section allows you to manage and create credit notes, a crucial aspect if you need to offer refunds or adjust invoices for your customers. On this page, you'll see a New button. Click it to initiate the creation of a new credit note. The first step in creating a credit note is selecting a customer. You can choose an existing customer from your list or add a new one by filling in their details. It's important to ensure that all customer information is accurate to prevent errors in processing. After selecting the customer, you'll need to assign a credit note number. Zoho Books provides you with the flexibility to either enable auto-generation of these numbers or enter them manually, depending on your preference. Once you've decided how to number your credit notes, make sure to click OSAV. This action will help you retain the settings you've made so far. A reference number is the next detail you should enter, as it helps both you and your customer easily identify the credit note among other transactions. Following this, select a credit note date. This is vital for accounting purposes, ensuring that the transaction fits into your financial timeline correctly. Now click on Select or Add Salesperson if applicable, so you can track who facilitated the sale initially. Quick identification makes it easier for inquiries later on. Enter a subject to specify the reason for the credit note. This becomes crucial for clear communication with your customer, letting them immediately understand why they've received this document. Next, go to the Item section. Select existing items or click Add Items in Bulk if you need to add multiple items to this credit note. Once you've completed your selections, confirm by clicking Add Items. If applicable, you may also enter any discounts. Specify whether to apply the discount as a percentage or a flat amount, based on the terms you had agreed upon with the customer. Additional charges such as shipping can be entered here. Likewise, if there are any adjustments necessary, you can include those. It's essential to be as detailed as possible to ensure transparency. Additionally, type any customer notes which might be relevant to this credit note. Enter terms and conditions if there are any specific agreements relevant to this transaction. After you've filled in all the necessary details, decide whether to save as draft or save as open, depending on whether you're ready for the credit note to be processed. And there you have it. Once saved, you can easily click on Edit, Email, Print, or even refund the note as needed. For further options, you may send the credit note directly or convert it to an open status. Finally, should you need to create another credit note quickly, you can do so from the Invoices section by selecting New, and then New Credit Note from the drop-down menu. By following these steps, you're now equipped to handle credit notes with ease in Zoho Books, streamlining your business accounting tasks efficiently.